Good boys. You're helping mommy to wash the plates. Wow. Good boy, Sean. Good boy. Sean, wash. My twins are helping me out so this early morning. They are 3 years old.
3 years old.
Yeah, 3 years old. Sean, how old are you? 3 years old. Good boy. Oma, how old are you? Oscar, how old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old. Thank you guys for helping mommy out, okay? I wish you all the best. See. Good washing. Oh, you rinse it. Yes, good. Yes, good boy. Wow, they are so happy helping mommy out in the kitchen. So yeah, so good. So good, boys. Wash. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Say mama, you're welcome. Say you're welcome, mommy. Son, say hello.
Thank you.
Okay. Mommy understands you, okay? Say bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Santo, Oma say thank you for watching. Oh, ncham gata agwu na ihe. Ncham ga agwukwa taa biko. Ncham ga ha agwu taa. Oya. Wash. Hey. So Oya, take another cup. Oma, take this one. Take the pink one. Oya. Wash. Good boys. This early mama. You guys are helping mommy out. Be careful so you won't break the cup. Oh, such a lovely child. Oh, don't break my cup. Oh. Yes, got it. No, you still have soap. You still have soap. You still have. Oh yeah, use it like that. Use it like that. Still have. You still have. Use it. You still have that. Still have. You still have. Look at this. Still for me. See Santo Chukwu is still having. The same I give you, I give Santo. Okay, I give you again. Right. Nanchamu gata abubiko. Ngwa. You're wasting water. Ngwa. Oh yeah, wash. My hands are dirty. Do fast. Say okay, mommy.
Okay, mommy.
It's not easy. I have two amazing twins here. Guys, as you can see, they are my helpers this morning. I've not even planned what I'm going to cook today, but they decide to come and help me out in washing my dishes. You guys are blessed. Thank you guys once again, because I'm going to upload this on my YouTube channel so that when they grow up they can see themselves helping mommy out in the kitchen. Like I am blessed with so much bundle of joy. So we say bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Mama say bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to mommy channel.
Bye.
Subscribe to mommy channel. Okay. See you later. Subscribe to mommy channel. I don't have space in my kitchen. Like, if I have space, they will be helping me out seriously. Good time. But it's okay. Thank you, guys.